Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you everything you need to know about the guideline books in the Learning Center. In the bookcase at the homepage of the Learning Center, you can easily find the guideline books. The guidelines icon will show all the books that contain guidelines on the respective subjects, such as the accounting and stock books. Guideline books will tell you what to do in your practice and why you do it. When you click on the Guidelines book under General, for example, it will navigate you to the Best Practice Guidelines page. On this page, you will find a brief description of what the content is and what it all means in the specific guideline book. The contents include practice management books, Roles in a Practice PDF, and a Critical Business Processes PDF. Feel free to download these PDF files and print them out and use them as a reference in your practice. Let's continue by clicking on the Healthcare Practice Management link. This book can be of great value to any practice and management thereof. This is the first page/chapter of the Best Practice Guidelines Healthcare Practice Management book. As you flip through a book, you can click on Next or Previous to move throughout the chapters. The table of contents will be in the index on the left-hand side. Similar to navigating in a book, the table of contents is also sectioned according to the guideline book's business process diagram. After the introduction, it runs from appointments all the way to reports and the ending off with appendixes. In some of these chapters, you will find that they too contain their own process diagrams, such as clinical information and claim administration. Take note that each guideline book may be different according to its content, such as stock and accounting, which we will show later in the video. Here you can click on a chapter to read more about the specific topic. One of these chapters include the roles in a practice that are responsible for the processes discussed in the respective guidelines book. As you navigate through the chapters, the specific roles that have certain responsibilities regarding this chapter will be shown at the top of the page. Please take note of the appendixes beneath the table of contents for additional valuable information on healthcare practice management. Here are just some of the appendixes available in the Healthcare Practice Management Guideline book. The same features are available in the Healthcare Management Internal Controls book. This guideline book will guide you through our suggested approach to putting controls into your business for it to remain profitable, controlled, and reportable. Please take note that the appendix is beneath the table of contents for additional valuable information on healthcare management's internal controls. Here are just some of the appendixes available in the Healthcare Management Internal Controls Guideline book. In the bookcase, simply hover over the Guidelines icon to see where you can find other guideline books. As you navigate in the different guideline books available, the major component of each book is its unique process diagram. This diagram will provide you with a bigger picture and understanding of what the process entails. Feel free to explore each guideline book that suits your practice's needs.